Hi everyone and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a bootable pen drive for Windows 10 Pro step-by-step. This is a useful skill to have as it allows you to install or reinstall Windows 10 on a computer without the need for a DVD drive. Start with step-by-step guide. Insert a pen drive into a running computer. Open a command prompt window as an administrator. Type the disk part and click on the Enter button. Type list disk and then click Enter. The list disk command displays all the disks on the computer. Note select the drive number. Type select disk and the number of your pen drive and then click Enter. Type clean and then click Enter. Type create partition primary and then click Enter. Type select partition 1 and then click Enter. Type formats equals nevs quick and then click Enter. Type active and then click Enter. Type exit and then click Enter. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.